your English bestie. Hey there! Welcome back to Lexi Lingua, your English bestie. Today we're getting real about people's personalities, the kind that make you roll your eyes or slowly back away. We're talking about 5 idioms to describe not-so-fun folks. Ready? Let's go. You're trying to focus and someone just won't leave you alone. Poke, poke, poke. Ugh. That person, they're a pain in the neck, super annoying and hard to deal with. For example, my little cousin is such a pain in the neck when I'm working. Everyone's having fun, except for that one person who says, "This music is too loud. This party is pointless." Say hello to a wet blanket, someone who spoils the fun. Example, don't invite Ben to karaoke night. He's a total wet blanket. You say the sky is blue, they say actually it's cerulean. Ugh, meet the know-it-all. Example, he thinks he knows everything. Total know-it-all. You tell a joke. Everyone laughs. One person just blinks. No smile, no laugh, just cold. That's a cold fish. For example, she didn't even react. What a cold fish. A friendly coworker smiles at you, then tells the boss you messed up. They seem friendly until they stab you in the back. That's a snake in the grass. Sneaky, fake, and not to be trusted. Let me give you one more example. I thought he had my back, but he was just a snake in the grass. Let me tell you a mini story using all 5 idioms. Last Saturday, I went to a party. I was so ready to have fun. But guess what? Tom was being a pain in the neck, pulling pranks on everyone. And Lily was a wet blanket. She sat in the corner saying, "This party is lame." Then we have James, who wouldn't stop correcting everyone's grammar. Ugh, classic know-it-all. Then there was Mia. I told the funniest story ever. Everyone laughed, except her. Total cold fish. And finally, Dan, sweet, smiley Dan. He accidentally told everyone I still sleep with my safety blanket. What a snake in the grass. Let's just say, next time, they will be off the guest list. Want more fun idioms and real English? Stick with Lexi Lingua, your English bestie. We've got plenty more coming your way. So you know where the red button, right?